Hey there, and welcome to my Magic Kids Kitchen review. Today, I'm excited to walk you through an incredible product that lets you create fun, kid-safe recipe content using AI, and even turn it into printables, journals, digital products, or sell them online for passive income. And the best part, you don't need to be a designer, a copywriter, or have any fancy tools. Just enter a few prompts and let AI do the heavy lifting. Stick around because I'll also break down all the upgrades OTOS so you know exactly what's included and can make the smartest choice for your business. If you're new here, welcome! I've spent the last 6 years diving deep into affiliate marketing and SEO, and I love helping people discover powerful tools that actually work. So go ahead and hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you never miss an update. I've put together some exclusive bonuses for anyone who grabs Magic Kids Kitchen through my link below. These will help you get even better results. Check the description now because they're limited. So, what is Magic Kids Kitchen? Magic Kids Kitchen is a PLR, private label rights, bundle of 250 unique AI recipe prompts plus 250 image prompts made just for kids. The recipes are all zero heat, which means no stoves, no knives, and no mess. Perfect for creative, screen-free fun. It's designed for anyone who wants to create. Children's recipe books, printable activity packs, kids' journals and workbooks, or even sell content on Etsy, Gumroad, KDP, or your own shop. No design skills needed, no software to download. And yes, it works perfectly with free tools like ChatGPT and DALL. Key features that impressed me: 250 AI recipe prompts. Just copy and paste into ChatGPT and generate fun, safe recipes kids can make. 250 matching image prompts. Use with DALL-E or any AI image tool to bring your products to life. Sales page copy plus Canva graphics. Ready to sell right out of the box. Beginner prompt guide. Learn how to use prompts with ease, even if you're brand new. Commercial rights. You can sell, brand, or repurpose the content however you like. How it works: 3 simple steps. 1. Open the prompt bundle and pick a recipe or image idea. 2. Plug the prompt into ChatGPT or your AI tool of choice. 3. Download your content. Design a quick layout. Canva works great. And sell or share it. Seriously, this is crazy simple, and it works even if you've never made a product before. Let's talk about the upgrades, OTOs. When you grab the main offer, you'll see a few powerful optional upgrades. Here's a quick breakdown. OTO 1. Done for you mini bundles. 17. Get 10 theme packs, already organized and curated. Instant content equals faster profits. OTO 2. Recipe book templates. $27. Ready-made Canva layouts so you can create recipe books in minutes. Drag, drop, done. OTO 3. PLR Mega Bundle, Food Fun Club. $37. Massive vault with 1,000 extra prompts for food-related content. Perfect for scaling your store or Etsy shop. OTO 4. Monthly Prompt Club. $11.97 per month. Fresh AI prompt packs delivered monthly. Never run out of ideas or content again. Don't worry, you can skip what you don't need. Pick the upgrades that match your goals. What I love about Magic Kids: kitchen super beginner friendly and fun to use. Huge time saver with prompts and templates already done for you. It taps into a profitable, evergreen niche. Kids plus activities equals money. Great for Etsy sellers, KDP publishers, digital creators, and even teachers or homeschoolers. A few things to consider. This isn't a push-button get-rich-tomorrow scheme. You still need to put in a little effort, designing, listing your products, and driving traffic. But the heavy lifting is already done, and it's way faster than starting from scratch. Final thoughts. Is Magic Kids Kitchen worth it? If you want a fun, easy way to create and sell digital products, this is a brilliant bundle. Whether you're building a side hustle or scaling your digital empire, Magic Kids Kitchen gives you everything you need to create valuable, engaging content that parents and kids will love. Don't forget to grab it through the link below to unlock your exclusive bonuses. These are custom made to help you get the most out of this package. Thanks for watching my Magic Kids Kitchen review. If you found this helpful, smash that like button. Drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more honest reviews and digital marketing tips. See you in the next one. Blast off!